Hi everybody, hope you all guys are doing awesome. In today's video, we are gonna discussing about semantic tags and what is this text, why we need it. We'll discuss this all in this video. So let's go. By question here, I have this cool map, this cool structure or something. It's looking very beautiful. Now these are semantic tags. The first one is header, second one is nav, the third one is main. Inside of main, we are using section, we are using articles. Article most of the time we are using for blog. And we have also a footer tag. Well, now why we need this all tags? We can create a website without this tags. Why we need it? The browser will understand your code very good, and it will easy for the browser to show your code to people. That's why we are using semantic tags. What is coming in here? In here we have logo, we have title. In navigation we have home, we have about, we have services, we have contact. Now after that, when we complete navigation and header, now inside of main tag we have section that have that must have some topic or content. If you are if you are creating an article website like a blog post or something like this, and you can use article tag. And after that, we have footer. In footer, you guys can see every website have copyright, contact info, and links. Now, let me show you a website that I created for you. You guys can see I have this cool website for you. In here, this is the header, and this is inside of our header, like my cool website and the logo of website. There is no logo, but we can put it. The title of the website and optional navigation. In here, you can see I have a home page, I have a about page, I have services. This all are navigations. I have contact, and in here, you guys can see this is section and this is article. In some website, you guys will see this kind of thing. In some website, if it is a blog website, we are using article. And then this is footer. Now, let me show you in a simple way. Now, if I came here and I say inside of the body, header tag, inside of header, we are putting like H3, my cool website. And then we are putting some kind of like paragraph. This is my very beginner and very cool. It's not cool, but for now you can say it's cool for you guys. If you're a beginner, if you're not, then this is must be not cool for you. And very cool website. Now this is our header. If let me let me comment this and open this with live server. And now you can see in here, this is our header tag. If I put nav tag, nav, and in nav we are putting links like anchor tag. A reference is, for example, h means this page. And in here, if I say home, a hashtag blog, anchor, something, put a hash in here, and contact us, and anchor tag. For example, I'm putting projects in here. This is kind of resume, you can say. And now let me show you. In here, you can see this is our header tag, and this one is our nav tag. Now, let me show you the main tag. Main tag. In main tag, mainly we are creating section or article. In main, you can put section, and the section is for example, we have a section like we have section of low RAM, because there is nothing in my mind about section right now. In here you can see this is our section. It's our main tag. Basically, it's our main tag. Inside of main tag, this is our section and paragraph. Now we can also put article. Article, most of the time you're using article when we are creating some article, or we are posting some article on our website, and that's why we are creating. And let me show you p, and we have article. Article may contain heading for dog bite uh, alloy. I don't know, my spellings are maybe not good, but right now I'm not focusing on the spellings, and I'm not gonna looking at it because I have not that much time to look into it. You guys can change it now. Our paragraph, you guys can see this is our article, pretty funny. And in here, footer tag, footer tag. In footer tag, we have mainly something like in copy all rights preserved. I don't know, maybe it's true or not. Let me show you. It's all right, reserved, copyright. Mainly this kind of things we have in footer. Also, we have like our links must be in p tag. Our links. We have also contact us, our motive, and in here you can put your motive. Okay, now this is our semantic tags website. You can see this is my code website. This is a header. This is a navigation. This is our main tag. Inside of a main, this is section. We are using section tag in here. In here, we are using article, and this is our footer. I hope you guys got an idea. Let me show you the website I created for you guys to understand it. Website.html. This is pretty looking cool. Now, this is our header. This is our navigation. This is our main tag. This is a section tag. This is article tag. And this is our footer. And I think 90% or 99% websites have it. Now, for today's video, I think that's it. And don't forget to like and subscribe.